few days ago, we cut our hair. Miss Cheryl Bailey, 6161, said she hollered when all that hair came off my head. I know, right? I know, right? So, thank God nothing happened. And then the cut before that, I think 2 days before that, I was cutting my hair and the guard came off, right? The devil is a lie, because that is not going to stop me.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
So yeah, guys, I styled my hair today and it looked completely beautiful. Guys, it did. It really did. I'm opening it up now and I'm going to give you guys a comparison. So it's going to have the booklet in there and it looks like this. You know, it's going to have instructions. Here is the oil and the cleaner, you know, the brush cleaner and all the guards, right? And I don't know. Oh, and this is a little bag that they give you, you know, to keep your clippers set in. And I know I'm going to use that till the cows come home, guys. I am going to use this set to death. So, like I said, it's like this. This is going to be so perfect, guys. It is. It is. I told y'all anything I'm doing to my hair that I am going to let y'all know. Just in case y'all following along or like my haircut and things of that nature. Our hair is doing really, really good. So I just took the thing off of there. This hair journey has been amazing. I ain't gonna stop, won't stop. These things are so cute. Look how cute that is, guys. Look how cute that is. Let me see if I can get the lighting right for you guys. I'm getting better with everything that I be trying to show you guys, because I don't want it to glare. Okay. I see it's glaring a lot. I ain't trying to do that to you guys. Let me see. Okay, that's good enough, because I want you to see, okay? So, this is the way it looks. It's nice and small. This is my hand, and this is how small it is, okay? Compared to this. Now, this is what we used to, you know, go over our head last time, okay? And it did a good job. No complaints. This one is smaller. And it comes with all the guards. Here's another guard. Let's see. We're going to snap that on. Okay, see how cute that is, guys? Look at that. Look at that. Both of them are walls, but look at that. I want to make sure y'all can see. So there is a difference with how big it is compared to this one, compared to this one. So if your hair is growing out, I know I should put some oil on it. Let me be right, guys, and I'll be back. Let me put some oil on it. I'm gonna run it a little bit. Look how little it is. This is how little this thing is. Come on, guys. And like I said, it comes with different size guards. Okay, look at that guard. They come with different size guards and the brush, the two different angles. So, guys, this is going to be amazing. This is the other angle guard. And it's got, you know, it tells you what numbers they are and everything like that. But guys, I'm going to tell you right now, this ain't nothing but a miniature version of this, period. Okay? So we have the left on there. Let's see. I want to show y'all the angles. So you just put it on, just a little bit guard. It's a little bitty cute thing too, guys. Snaps on like that. Let me make sure the sucker ain't gonna come off. And sound like that. Can you hear it? So guys, although I cut my hair maybe 2 days ago, I'm just showing you, you know, how it fits. It fits really well. So if you don't want to go higher than what I have parted off here, okay, you see what I'm saying? So if you don't want to go higher than what I have parted off here, that's fine. Because this one, see the angle? I know what I can do. Let me put Sally Sue right there so y'all can see a little better. And maybe I'll turn up the light. I want y'all to be able to see. What about that? So I'm going to put this right here. And I am going to try to film. See, it's nothing is coming off because it's low enough. Because we just cut our hair the other day. But if you don't want to go no higher than this, yeah. If you don't want to go no higher than where I am with my head right now, this will do it, okay? It's so cute, guys, and it comes with so many different guards. I am going to have a ball with this. So, you know, this is the left for the right side. This is the right for the left side, okay? That's that. And like I said, you can see the difference in the room it takes up. All right. So like I said, guys, where there is a will, there is a way. This is where I will be going with my hair. So from now on, I will be using the Mini Pro wall clippers just to go on the side of my hair. And, you know, if I decide to taper in between here, which I don't think I am. I don't think I am. I think I'm just going to do it where you see it at, like that. Okay, so now we have this. I'm not going to plug this up because we're not, you know, going over our hair with that again. And see how much room it take up? This is how much room it take up. You see that? Hope I can get y'all to see that. So if you're not trying to go that wide, you see, I would say get the Mini Pros. I would say get the Mini Pros. And then guys, they so little and they so cute. I think that's a good, you know, starter kit for someone that's trying to learn how to, you know, cut their hair. And like I said, the Mini Pro is nothing but a smaller version of these wall clippers, and they both are walls. So guys, we don't need our hair cut. We don't need our hair cut, you know, right now. I'm gonna put these walls back up. And I just thought I would come. And show you guys my new cute purchase. I will be using these for now on because all through here we're not touching. It's growing uneven, but guys, it is growing. All right, guys, that is it. So in the comment section down below, tell me if you want to get you a Mini Pro clipper set, guys. I think this is good for beginners and people that's just sort of apprehensive and scared to use clippers. Yeah, I think this would be a good set because this is the one I'm gonna be using from now on to cut my hair, guys. This is it right here. So guys, that is it. I'm about to get out of here. I am about to finish my little, you know, at-home self-care day. You know, I have so much material that I want to bring to you guys, so stay tuned for the next video. But most of all, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. It do not cost you a thing to do that. If I didn't address anything in this video that you want to know, or if you just want to say hello, leave it in the comment section down below, guys. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another. I'm going to see you in the next video.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you.